Check this out, this is Milwaukee's 4th generation M18 FUEL drill driver and hammer drill driver. The M18 FPD3 and the FDD3 are identical in specs, the only variation being the hammer drill function on the FPD3. They've also got slightly different chucks, but I'll talk more about that later in the video. But compared to the previous generation, these new Gen 4 drills have a big up in the output at 158 Newton meters compared to 135 Newton meters on the previous drills. And at 158 Newton meters, that makes them one of the most powerful drills on the market. Side by side, they look very similar in performance. The Gen 4 certainly felt a lot better in performance. And when you break it down frame by frame, in this instance alone, there's a 17% increase in performance, which is not insignificant at all. On top of that increased output, they've also ramped up the max RPM and the max beats per minute in the hammer drill function as well. And despite the increased output in power and performance, they've shortened the chassis by a couple of millimeters and just made it slightly thicker in girth by a couple of millimeters to accommodate that larger, more powerful motor and a more improved fan. And Milwaukee's developed a new advanced kickback protection system they're calling Auto Stop. It's used machine learning and advanced sensors in the drill that prevents over-rotation early and stops you from hurting yourself. Or in caveman speak, drill stuck? No ouch. Good. It's got a 2-speed mode select up on top, and then like most drills around the collar, you twist it for hammer drill, or one of the 16 driver settings. Now they've reworked the chuck since the last generation. It's an all-metal chuck with carbide teeth for good bit retention and increased durability on the previous generation. Now a keen eye can spot a slight variation in the two chucks from the hammer drill driver to the drill driver, and that's just a variation in the teeth on the hammer drill driver to get better purchase on your bit while hammering. Really nice bright work light up front, the belt holder on one side, the new 2-bit holder on the other side. It's a really nice drill to use, and it's available in the Milwaukee aisle of your local Sydney Tools store now, or you can head online for the full spec, sydneytools.com.au, and if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.